Hey everyone, good morning, or I should say good afternoon since it is 2 o'clock. Today I will be doing a day in my life video just so you guys can see what I'm up to and what my usual daily routine is during quarantine. Today it's Saturday. I'm just going to take it a little bit light today, kind of just clean, organize. Hopefully I can get a workout in today. I've been trying to work out this whole quarantine and I've just been so lazy and like unmotivated and kind of like try not to find time for it. So hopefully today like I will actually work out. But the first thing I'm going to start off with is making breakfast. So let's head downstairs. Today for breakfast, I just made some avocado toast with eggs. I don't usually make this unless my mom already opened an avocado because if you're Dominican, you already know how that goes. You waste an avocado, this, that, and the third. So this is what we did, and then there's a little bit of eggs left over, and then I have my water, and that is my breakfast. So now that I just finished eating breakfast, I'm going to head upstairs so we can clean my room and then wash my face. So I just wanted to real quick show you somebody who has been in my vlogs before, and let's see if you guys, well, you won't remember her because she was like a baby, but this is her now. Hi Amelia.
Hi.
I can't really see, your face is all dirty and I can't really see you. Okay, so now that I finished cleaning my room, you guys are probably wondering, like, if you cleaned your room, like, why do you have all that on your bed? So I am posting things on my POSHMARK, so go check that out. It will be linked in the description box, so as all my other social medias. But I just have it laid out by like pants, dress, jumpsuits, sweaters, blouses, and then blazers. And then this, on this side, I just have like accessories, and then these shorts that don't fit me, that obviously I cannot take a picture wearing them. So that's also going to be within that same category. I've just done like a huge clean out of my closet. Like there's just tons of things that like I've even like recently bought and just aren't working well for me, or just things that I kind of didn't think of when I first bought them, and things that I've also had for like a good amount of years that just never really like were worn. So if you guys are looking for a new wardrobe, go check out my POSHMARK. Now that I finished cleaning my room, I'm going to go wash my face and brush my teeth, do all of that morning routine stuff, you know? Yeah, okay, I talk too much. Okay, and before I even start washing my face, I have a question for you guys, because the beauty community, I can't. So, I have this facial toner. Okay, it's not focusing and I don't want to stop recording, but witch hazel that I've been using like for a while, like, and yesterday on Twitter, this girl was giving her boyfriend a facial, and then they were like, oh my god, she's using witch hazel. So like, now is this like bad for you? Like, I'm so confused. Like, for the longest everybody recommended witch hazel, and now it's like bad for you. So like, I don't know, like, please let me know in the comments below, like, is this good for you? Is it bad for you? Like, I need to know. But like, I mean, I'm almost done with it, but like, oh my god, like, I can't. Like, I have been using reusable pads, so I feel like kind of like, I don't know how I feel about reusable pads, because I love like the sustainability part of it, but I low-key feel like it's just not the same. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy and I'm just whatever. But yeah, so please let me know, like, is this good? Like, I mean, I'm still gonna finish the bottle because it's still money, like, you know, I still paid for this. But yeah, if not, if it is bad for you, please leave recommendations for toners, because I'm gonna have to need a new one if this is bad for you. So I'm still using the Kiehl's Blue Herbal Acne Cleansing Treatment that I've been using for the longest. It's just the best cleanser on earth. So I just take a little, and then I wash my face. So now I'm going to set up for my POSHMARK. The only thing I really do is just put my regular shades down, post pictures using my phone, and I use my tripod, so it's just easier for me. And then I just put myself timer for 3 seconds, and then I just start taking the pictures. Pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna get ready to set that up now. Okay, so I just came downstairs real quick and just look how beautiful it is outside. Like, oh my god, I just had to record and show you guys because it's just so gorgeous. And anybody else have like these trees outside and it smells like puke? Because I can't, like, the trees are so pretty but they smell disgusting. Okay, so quality change. We're back to my phone right now. I'm in my basement. I was gonna work outside, but I think it might be a little bit too cold and I just kind of feel better working out inside. So this is my little workout section that we're gonna use. Yes, there's a whole bar over there. We're just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna work on my lower body today, and I have cramps, so I don't really want to do anything stomach-wise. And I realized like when I work out and I like focus on my stomach, it hurts more. So I'm just gonna avoid that. I'm gonna do a small workout, probably like a 20-minute workout. So I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do. I'm just showing you guys what I usually do if I'm doing something that's not completely correct. Like, just, this is what I usually do. I usually go to the gym. I don't really do a lot of home workouts, so let's try this out. So since I just finished working out, my hair and my body is all sweaty, so it's time to hop in the shower, and I'm going to be washing my hair today. So last night while I was on Instagram, somebody who I follow actually showed this clay mask that I have, and they used it for their hair. So the mask that I am talking about is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. You can use this for tons and tons of things for like your body, like mask wise. So what she did was she put it in her hair for like 10 minutes before she got in the shower, and she said that it just, her curls like came back. She's been doing it for her hair each time before washing, so I definitely want to try that. This is such a good product. So I'm going to be trying this out today. Then two new masks that I actually recently bought is I just rebought my Olaplex Hair Perfector because I already finished my old one. You guys already know if you watch my curly hair routine, like this product is amazing, really good for your hair, especially if it is damaged and colored. Like this is literally will bring back your hair like first time after using it. And then the new mask I actually got is the Original Mineral Power Based Protein Mask. So on Sephora, this has so many amazing reviews. Like I didn't see not one bad review. Like everyone says it's the perfect mask for damaged hair. Like it's amazing. Like this will really repair your hair so quickly. So I decided to get it. I don't remember how much it costs, but I will definitely leave the link down below. I don't know why I can't speak. So this is a hair mask for after you shampoo your hair. So it just says here, like, after shampooing, rinse and apply the mask for a minimum of 2 minutes, and you can leave it for longer if you want it to be more intense. So this is really good. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm definitely going to be using these two masks today. Alright, so I have my supplies here. I kind of didn't know what to use. So she said that she based it around the length and thickness of her hair. So my hair is like pretty long. Even though I cut it, this doesn't fit, yeah. So I'm just going to put this in here. Oh my god. I think that should be good. So this is what I usually use like when I do hair mask and like I have to like mix it or whatever, so I could easily apply it to my hair. But this is such a different type of hair mask. I don't even know like if it's gonna be, okay, let's try that. Then let's mix it. Because it still needs to be like the thick, you see I put too much water. So I need to put way more of this now. Let's try that. Okay, that helped a little, but it's gonna look like I need more. I'm gonna throw a little bit in, and I think now we're good. Okay, so I don't have the best mirror to actually like show you guys. Like maybe if I zoom in. Hopefully this works for you guys. So I'm just gonna shake it again because this mask dries really quick. So I'm gonna start from my middle part. Oh my god, this hair mask. Oh wow. Okay. I feel like it's just gonna be easier if I just apply it with my hands. So I'm gonna try that. Oh my god, I don't. This is such a hard mask. Oh my god. I feel like I just can't work with this. Like this. Honestly, I'm not liking how like just the hair mask, how it applies. Like it's a very hard face mask. Like oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna use the rest for my face. So I'm just, oh my god, like how do I even tie up my hair? I look nuts. Oh my god, this has my face, my hair is so tight. Now I'm gonna apply the rest onto my face. At this point, like I don't even care how I apply this. Like this was such a mess. There we have it. This is what I end up looking like at the end. So I will update you guys after I finish washing my hair and just doing everything on how everything goes. So hopefully you cannot see the reflection and you can just see my eyes. But I obviously just finished taking a shower. I washed my hair. It was actually pretty easy to just take off the hair mask. I thought it'd be a little bit harder. One difference I did realize, I don't know if it was because I used a different, like the hair mask at the end. Maybe because it's not so much like of a conditioner, that hair mask. It was a little bit harder for me to detangle my hair. So I think next time I'm just going to put like conditioner in my hair, detangle my hair, and then afterwards put the mask. And I feel like that'd be the easiest like for my curly hair. But I feel like my hair is curling like a little bit more. I did put products in it. I used the Verb leave-in cream, and then I used the Diva ultra defining gel, which I'm just using for now, the Diva Girl products, because I still have a little bit left, and like I said, I just want to get rid of them. Even though I know the whole controversy thing that happened, I paid money for those products, so I want to finish them. I'm definitely going to show you guys like later on like how my hair looks. For now, I don't know what I want to do. I might just want to like go eat food, or maybe just upload the things on POSHMARK. But like I said, I don't really know what I'm going to do now. I'm probably just going to chill out for a little bit, so I'll update you guys when I do something else. Hey guys, so it's actually been a couple of hours since I last spoke to you guys. So what I just did was just eat dinner with my family, and then we played like Monopoly and Cup Pong. I completely forgot to grab my camera and film it. I remember like halfway through Monopoly, so I was like, there's just no point in me recording it. But that's just kind of what I did. But since I don't go to sleep until like 5 in the morning, I'm just going to show you guys what else I usually do that makes me stay up for so long. I was just thinking like with a couple of things that I do have, just like kind of organizing like what I have. Like the section of where I keep my hair stuff is like all like, it's just like a mess. And then I have like some like of my like pants, like loungewear clothing that like needs to be fixed. And I keep looking at over here because that's where I have it. So I think I'm just going to show you guys like me organizing it. And I think that's what I have planned for now. Other than that, I don't know what else I'm going to be doing tonight. So let's just get started with the organization. Okay, so I actually forgot to update you guys about my hair. So this is kind of like the finished like drying process, I guess you want to say. I feel like my curls are way more defined. I don't know if which one it actually was that really helped, but both combined definitely did what it needed to do, and I'm so happy about it because this piece right here wasn't really like curling, it was more straight since it was still damaged from the coloring. But this is how it looks like, and then this is the back, and I love how it looks. It looks really good. I'm so happy how it ended out. I'm definitely going to continue doing those two specific masks because it did really good to my hair. But now that I finished organizing those straws, I'm going to start uploading on Poshmark, and I'm not going to really show you because it's literally like as if I was uploading a picture on Instagram, like the same process. So I will talk to you guys when I finish that. Okay, so I finished posting everything on my Poshmark, so go check it out now. Everything should be live by the time this video will be posted. I am just going to end up going to sleep. Like, I have nothing else to do. It's already like 1 in the morning, right? I can't take off my glasses to record this part. It's already 1 in the morning. I'm kind of probably just gonna watch Netflix shows, probably like snack one more time, and then probably just go to sleep. So I just feel like I should cut the video off here. But before I cut the video off, I wanted to do a small little giveaway. It's been a very long time since I've done a giveaway on my channel, so it's just a couple things, but I still wanted to do it. What I will be giving away is the cleansing water from Garnier. I have this bath bomb, and I also have 3 masks. So the first one is a hydrating sheet mask, and then the 2 other ones are just eye mask. And then I also have this Garnier smoothing facial mist. I have this Tic Tac Extra Freeze Winter Garden pack. And then I also have this dermal roller. This is in the 25mm one that comes in a case, which is so nice to just not have it like out. These items away to 1 lucky winner. So for you to enter in the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to this channel. Comment down below what are your favorite skin routine products, and for a bonus, if you are following my Instagram, that will also help you in this giveaway. So this giveaway will close 1 week from this video being uploaded, so I hope you guys all enter, and I can't wait to see who the lucky winner is. But as for me ending the video, I hope you guys enjoyed my day in a life. If you want to see more of these videos, just comment down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and follow any of my social medias down in the description box. But that is all for today's video, so I will see you guys in the next quarantine day. Bye!